Google Business Groups are communities of entrepreneurs who are interested in learning more about how technology can help them to start and scale their businesses. There are over 100 communities of entrepreneurs across the world in over 30 countries, which are run by local community leaders. The goal of the program is to create active and sustainable communities of entrepreneurs who share and learn from each other.
A very important part in bringing the community together are GBG managers. These are people who are interested in seeing how technology can help businesses. And these people are also connectors.
For entrepreneurs running small businesses or starting a new one, technology can really be intimidating. At GBG, we bring these entrepreneurs together through local meetups to come and share their various experiences and also learn new Google and web technologies. We achieve this by inviting speakers to teach them about best practices with new methodologies and new business practices.
It is important to understand that GBG communities are run by passionate volunteers and everyone can join for free.
I own a pet product e-commerce platform in Mexico, which I started in 2013. It really has grown exponentially since I joined GBG. For the first 3 years, I rely more on my key strengths, which are business strategy and numbers. But at GBG workshops, I learn important tools like Google Ads and many growth hacking techniques, which have resulted in an amazing increase of our revenue of more than 300%.
The next great story could be yours.